500 hertz gaming monitor. Oh, good Lord. That's exactly what I needed. I need every advantage I can get. Can we even see 500 hertz, Will?
Oh, yeah.
As the humans that we are?
The human eye.
We can?
Yeah.
Ooh, lovely.
Is that true? Do we know what the max is?
I love this. These type of graphs.
Yeah.
It goes 144, 240, smoother, 500, smoothest. You idiot.
You idiot.
And then I'm like, I'm like, nice.
And the, subtle shading of the darker.
Yeah, like they really make it like, how have you been playing games
144
before?
is trash.
Yeah.
No. Yeah. Easier target tracking. Unveiled at Computex 2022 in Taipei, Taiwan, the Asus ROG Swift 500 Hz is the world's first gaming monitor that refreshes 500 times per second, offering the smoothest motion you'll find in modern esports. This display was designed from the ground up for esports, utilizing an all-new esports TN panel for maximum motion clarity. Plus, it has NVIDIA G-Sync esports mode with adjustable esports vibrance. Listen, man, I don't know. You're doing the esports. What is that, Valorant? Mm-hmm. You're playing the game, and it's like $1 million if you win. Give me all the hertz. Like, I don't care if I can see it or not. Give me every hertz possible.
Yeah.
I want every single advantage I can get. And you can see when they slow it down. Well, if you slow it down, for sure you can see it. We talk about this on smartphones from 60 hertz and above. You slow it down, for sure you see it. Like, look at this, target tracking. Bam. You know what? I would like to try it and see if I can taste the difference.
We should get this in studio.
We should get into see if we can spot the difference. It could be a good little fact finding, and we'll see who can spot it out of everybody. We'll put black tape all over the monitor, or we'll somehow put a box like cardboard,
right?
So you can't see the thing, and we'll get two monitors exactly the same size. One is 240 hertz, the other's 500.
Yeah.
Will?
Yeah, definitely.
Go ahead.
This is a fun idea.
20% CTR?
No, definitely not 20% CTR, but fun for the entire family.
Family gathering around. Guys, let's guess how many hertz it is.
I mean, that's how it was in the old days.
Well, there was less to watch.
When they gave me the NES, that was the Nintendo Entertainment System. What's the matter with?
Did they give you Duck Hunt with the gun?
Yeah, they gave it to me. And then
family friendly for days.
You look at the back of the box, and no, because they had to change the color. It's well known on the internet. They changed the color of the gun because mothers in North America, they were like, you can't have a gray colored gun. Shout out Reader, you're absolutely right in the super chat. You can't have a gray colored gun. It looks too realistic, so they had to make it red.
Yeah. For
the North American audience. In Japan, they're like, meh. Same thing in Japan with the Ninja Turtles, or as my daughter likes to call it, Engine Turtles. They over there, they didn't need the different colors because everybody knew the weaponry. They recognized it.
Yeah.
Over here, they got to do the colors. So then, anyway, go look at the original box that the NES came in. Go NES box, family. Type family in there as well. And you'll see, look at this family. You understand? Look at them.
Yeah.
Everybody gathered around.
Look how supportive the parents are.
You can do it.
Like, imagine, because they knew. It's crazy, right?
Perspective. He's looking at the side of the TV.
You got no viewing angle. The parents are so supportive. It's like as if their kids are doing algebra or something. They're so supportive. And the parents saw this in the store, and they're like, oh, we got to have this. Mm-hmm. The entire family can now get in on the action because you got two controllers or whatever you got. Mm-hmm. So I had the box. I had that box on the left over there. And, they had this box right here. And they were always selling the family atmosphere. It was the family having fun together because there was only one screen. Now nobody has fun together. Like, get your own screen. In fact, Zuckerberg, with the earpiece, get your own goggles.
Yeah.
Right.
Get the hell away from everyone.
Yeah.
But back then, they were like, do something with the family. The whole family. You ever do anything with the family, Mo?
Gather around.
You ever do anything with the family?
Of course.
Yeah. Go ahead.
You want me to talk about the
what
things
you do?
I do?
Yes.
We barbecued.
Just something random. It doesn't have to be super intimate.
We were barbecuing this
What
weekend.
should people do with their family?
I barbecued with my family this week.
So is that what they should do?
Yeah, I recommend it. It was a lot of fun.
Poolside?
Yep. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. And then I had my little brothers running in because I forgot a bunch of stuff. So they were like my little helpers,
Oh,
running in, running out with the buns and the butter and
cool.
yeah. Some good family fun.
So you're over there.
Mm-hmm.
Pool's over there.
Mm-hmm.
Barbecue's over there.
Nobody was in the pool this weekend though.
Really?
The weather was, as you know,
As you wish.
as you wish.
But here's the thing. Here's what really matters. And this actually goes not just to you, it goes to Will as well. You're doing all these foods on this barbecue. Are you ever putting the bread as well on the barbecue?
Yeah. Yeah, I do that.
Yeah.
I like
you
my
gotta.
bread toasted.
You gotta.
Yeah.
You toast the bread?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I actually use, you know, the top rack. And when I'm done cooking, I just fill that top rack with the buns.
Mm-hmm.
And then it's in there for like a minute.
Mm-hmm.
Just enough so that the bun gets a little crunchy and warm. And then you slap all the ingredients onto it. You got a sandwich.
Okay.
Mo knows how to barbecue.
Saying Mo knows.
Yeah.
Listen, Mo's just trying to tell you guys you gotta spend the right time. You understand? The activity's not important. That's what he's trying to tell you. You just gotta put the time together. Yeah, it could be family, it could be friends you treat like family. Whatever it is, get out there, put yourself out there. You might not have all the ingredients that Mo has. You might not have the little helpers. You might not be poolside.
Right.
We can't all have this type of atmosphere. Well, you got something.
Yeah.
You got something cooking. Go ahead, Will.
Toast those buns.
Toast those buns. Why don't you? Why don't you?